first, let me share with you 3 of the most remarkable features of this property that truly make it special. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the elegance all new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living and dining areas. Next, let's talk about the backyard. It's fully fenced, providing you with a private outdoor space where you can relax, entertain, and create lasting memories. But that's not all. The oversized dining room can comfortably seat 8 or more guests, perfect for hosting gatherings and celebrations. Now, you don't want to miss the chance to own this exceptional property. Reach out to me today to schedule a showing and discover the perfect combination of comfort, style, and world-class amenities that this home has to offer. So, whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, don't hesitate. Get in touch with me now and let's make your dream of owning this beautiful home a reality. I'm here to guide you through the entire process. Let's get started today.